My name is Ben Long, and I'm a lawyer with RSH Legal. For many Iowans, filing a lawsuit for your personal injury claim can seem intimidating. Dealing with injuries and then adding the complexity of a lawsuit can be overwhelming. However, you don't necessarily have to file a personal injury lawsuit right after you've been injured. Many times, a settlement for your harms and losses can be arranged before a lawsuit is ever filed. This agreement between the two parties often saves time and money for both sides. There are certain situations, however, when it makes sense for you to file a lawsuit. Number 1. You and the person who has harmed you cannot reach a settlement agreement. It's likely the insurance company of the person who injured you will try to settle your case as soon as possible. Understand that the insurance adjuster's ultimate goal is to save their company as much money as possible. To do that, it usually means putting as little money as possible in your pocket. If you feel the insurance company is not offering you a fair amount to settle your claim, filing a lawsuit may be the only way you can get compensated fairly for your injuries. Number 2. The statute of limitations is coming up on your case. There is a limit to the amount of time you have to get compensation after you have been injured. This is called the statute of limitations. In Iowa personal injury cases, the statute of limitations is generally 2 years from the date of your injury. If you haven't filed a lawsuit or settled your case by that time, you will lose out on getting any compensation for your injuries. If it is getting close to the 2-year mark and you haven't settled your case, it might be a good idea to file a lawsuit. Although you can file a lawsuit on your own, we generally recommend that an experienced personal injury attorney get involved at this point. There are a couple of reasons for this. Number 1, a knowledgeable personal injury lawyer will advise you on the specifics of your case. This can include what they believe your case is worth, what filing a lawsuit will involve, and whether it makes sense to settle now or file a lawsuit to potentially go to trial. Your attorney should make you aware of the benefits and risks of filing a lawsuit, so you know what exactly filing a lawsuit means for you. And number 2, an attorney can handle the work of a lawsuit for you. Filing paperwork, meeting court deadlines, and corresponding with the insurance company can be a lot of work for one person to handle on their own. If you are ready to file a lawsuit, it makes sense at this point to hire an experienced personal injury lawyer. Once your attorney files your lawsuit, you will need to work closely with them to help prepare your case and answer questions the other side may have. If you have questions about filing a lawsuit in Iowa, you need to speak with an experienced personal injury attorney. Call RSH Legal at 1-800-433-0283 today and schedule your free consultation.